Dentistry is a trust-based profession. Now, there aren't too many things more intimate than putting instruments into somebody's mouth and remodeling their teeth. The trust factor is often overlooked by dental practices that are busy competing on low price and specials. But being trusted by patients and your prospects alike is essential if you're going to grow your practice and your revenues. After the break, I'll tell you the best way to foster a trust-based relationship with your prospects who have never met you and never even come into your practice, and how you can help them to become appointed patients. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching the Patient Attraction Podcast. I'm Colin, receiver. Now, there's roughly 120,000 practicing dentists in the United States, and that's enough to make a decent-sized city like, say, Evansville, Indiana. It's the third largest city in the state that nobody's ever heard of, but that's not the point. If you look at the rate of crime, malpractice, and just downright stupidity in a city of dentists, it doesn't paint a pretty picture. Now, just recently, a dentist was convicted for illegally prescribing oxycodone and earning a 15-year prison sentence. Another dentist was charged with unprofessional conduct by a state board after the death of a 4-year-old who he had administered anesthesia to. Now, you could look at these as totally isolated incidents that really don't have any impact outside the areas in which they occurred. Now, you could do that, but I would argue that you shouldn't do that, because a lot of these reports go national. Other health professionals can shrug off negative reports fairly easily. And as of 2016, there were 950,000 licensed physicians in the United States. And even more nurse practitioners outnumbered dentists by 2 to 1. Now, with that many advanced health professionals in one field, the effects of reports of misconduct are really watered down. But among a smaller group of advanced degree professionals, the impact of misconduct or criminal activity is significantly larger. Dentists who give the profession a black eye poison the well for all the other dentists. Now, this can lead to prospects who are on the fence to delay treatment or avoid it altogether. It's not just the size of the group that matters. Dentists as a group aren't held in the highest regard these days. In fact, they're pretty much regarded as interchangeable commodities. Dentists are widely considered to be competent. You know, this isn't the days of the 50s and 60s when you had to white knuckle it in the dental chair anymore. You're a doctor, you have a degree, you are expected to be competent by the public at large. One dentist is as good as another as far as a lot of your prospects are concerned. There's no reason to prefer one dentist over the other, except for price, availability, and insurance acceptance. Now, dentists who want to succeed face a twofold challenge. First, they have to stand out from the great mass of dentists, and they have to build trust with their prospects. And there's no better way to accomplish those goals than by doing it with something like a patient attraction system. Just ask Dr. David Moffat, a consultant and friend of mine, the originator of the ultimate patient experience. He said, quote, "Dentistry is all about people and relationships. Colin, receiver, and SmartBox know how to attract new patients to your dental office. They're leaders in the field in dentistry, and in fact, they're rewriting the way that new patient marketing needs to be done," end quote. Now, it's almost impossible to establish trust, as Dr. Moffat knows, by using a quick-hit, price-driven marketing that most dentists use. Our patient attraction system takes in the entire spectrum of marketing, both online and offline. We work to establish you as a relatable, likable, and trustworthy expert dentist in your market area. Every aspect of your marketing is going to work together to make you that only logical choice. Now, Dr. Moffat was right. We're rewriting the way that new patient marketing needs to be done for dentists around the world. Discover what it can do for you. Visit smartboxdentalmarketing.com. Schedule a call with us. After the session, you'll get a patient attraction roadmap as well. We'll show you how SmartBox provides a steady stream of new patients to all the doctors that work with us. We'll do that by helping you to stand out and above the other dentists in your market and build that trust with your prospects. Join me for our next podcast. Until then, keep moving forward.